Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhupesh. Hope you're doing perfectly well. So, as we know, the world is changing, so do we. So, we need to really pace our speed so that we can learn all the new AI things that is coming as we go forward. So, you know what is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is actually a personal AI assistant that can do your job, without even asking or without even doing so many things. So, today in our short video, we'll be checking how to install OpenClaw simply on your Windows desktop and see what all things we can do simply rather than asking things and get the answers. OpenClaw will do the job for you, right? So let's quickly jump on to the implementation of this and let's see what are the commands that we need to run for our Windows desktop. Okay, so if you are running it on your Ubuntu machine, you can simply, or WSL machine, you can simply uh, you know follow the documentation that is there. You can select the flavor from this and then simply go ahead and run it. So I'm trying to run it on my WSL machine. Let's see. So this will install your OpenClaw, which will do all the bare minimum requirements like npm, whether it is there or not, like Node.js, and then it will install the latest and the greatest version of OpenClaw. And let me pause the video so that it can do things for us. Okay, now OpenClaw has installed. Let's see what are the things that it is asking. Apply recommended config repairs. Now you can just simply default and then no channel security. So it will ask certain things that you need to enable or you need to disable as per your. So I enabled my, WhatsApp channel link also. So it is just updating plugins and then it is updating all the changes. There's no npm need to be installed. The dashboard URL is there. Copy to clipboard automatically. Now I'll open this to see my OpenClaw, right? So it's fairly straightforward. Simply for learning purpose, run it on WSL and you're on, you have your everything enabled. So let me ask few things. Uh, Hello, I'm just asking basic things before we ask certain, complex thing to him, right? Okay, so it has actually responded to the normal chat, and at the background we are using, Minimax LLM models that will, is doing all the fetching. Okay, so what all things it can do? Okay, let's first of all ask some certain things so that is he able to do it or not. So it is not a chat GPT, it's beyond chat GPT. Okay, so I will ask, can you install Grafana on my laptop? And I'm giving, and my sudo password is Jan 2020, just in case if you need. So I'm creating a skill to asking to install Grafana on my laptop, and I've given my sudo password for my WSL also, just in case if he needs. And let's see whether the OpenClaw is able to install a Grafana on my laptop, and then I'll ask certain other things quickly. Okay, so I have actually given my password of WSL, and it has actually installed Grafana on my machine. So what is the benefit of OpenClaw? So the reason why I'm trying to showcase in this video that you can ask, you can, definitely get some suggestion, but you can ask certain things to get it done directly on your system or on any machine, right? So it has installed Grafana on my machine, WSL machine, and this is a localhost 3000, and it has the given the admin ID and password. You can change the admin password if you want. Now, can you install? So I don't have a node exporter dashboard here. Okay, there's no node exporter dashboard for infrastructure. Let me ask, when you add, please add node exporter dashboard with ID 18402 is Grafana. Now I'm asking, can you add this dashboard? So it is more of a agent, more than agentic AI, more than MCP. It is actually every. It is the future. So if we widely use these things properly at our customer site, then I think it is the future, right? Let's pause this video too so that we can see the node exporters coming in nicely. Okay, so it has done the node exporter import of dashboard. See, it is behind the scene what it has done. It has actually downloaded the JSON of node exporter to your temp file and then uploaded that JSON to your Grafana, and then see the node exporter dashboard is there. Definitely doesn't have a data because Prometheus is not shipping the data to your. I mean, the data is not. There's no node exporter, but there's a dashboard that has been attached to this using OpenClaw. So the idea behind this demo is to showcase OpenClaw not only can give suggestions, but it can do things on your laptop, on your machine, and so on. So you can customize this and add a lot of skills. So these are a lot of skills that you can add. Like I can install Grafana. I can add multiple agents, sub agents in this. So it is actually you can have one supervisor agent and multiple agents beneath that. So one agent will do the installation, the other agent will do the monitoring, and so on. So these are the skills that you can get added. Okay, these are the nodes. You can add your WhatsApp or Telegram or any Slack channel to this. Okay, this is your instance on which I am working. Currently, I am working on the laptop, and you can see the sessions usage tokens and everything, cost as well. So yeah, I mean that is pretty much OpenClaw is really the future. I mean you will get so many updates in your OpenClaw in the future. It is being created in November 2025 and it will come up with so many updates in near future. So stay tuned and we'll come up with some more AI related use cases in the same channel. And do not forget to like and subscribe so that you can see plenty of videos on observability, AI, and Kubernetes, and so on, and open telemetry. Thank you for now. Bye bye.